Here is a quick run through for the Museum Victoria Fauna app. So I'm on an iPhone, so I'm going to use, can I spell it? I'm going to use the App Store. Museum Victoria, and the field guide is the one that I want, this one here. So you guys would probably be getting this through the Play Store. Don't forget that you need to do it on your home account, not the school account. So if we open that up, the first thing that you find is a list of lots of different types of animals that is found in Victoria. To find a specific thing like the willy wagtail, I go to search, and there he is. First thing you'll notice is those three dots down the bottom. So I can simply scroll across and I've got three different pictures of the willy wagtail. Got his fanned tail, he's feeding, and there's another one, and that one's got the white crest. Okay, down the bottom you'll also find some other information. So the first one here is your details. So there's a brief description of what the animal looks like with some identifying characteristics, things that are particular to that particular kind of bird. We've also got, under the biology section, some information about how you find them, what they eat, a little bit about their behaviour as well. So highly territorial and call repeatedly at night. That's a bit of a clue as to why they might fan their tail out. It's also got the taxonomy. So this is the last two, genus and species, are the ones that you were asked to report on. So the phylum is Chordata, you'll remember, I hope, from when we did this earlier in the year. Chordata means it's got a backbone. Aves is the class for birds. And then we've got order and family, down to genus and species. If we go down the bottom of the page again to distribution, click on that. We've got recorded distribution areas. Got a bit of information about whether they're endangered or not. And the last one is the audio. So with the audio, if you press on that, you'll get different types of call will play. And some of those might be an alarm call. Some of them might be an aggressive call. There's not a lot of information there, so you're going to have to guess which is which. Different animals have different information on them. So if you go into other animals, you might find you can go into them alphabetically or with groups. So if you go into different animals, you might find that there's different information. Okay, so hopefully you've kind of figured that out. You'll notice up the very top, underneath Australian magpie, it has the genus and species already detailed there for you. Cractius tibicin.